Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop incoming emails from going to the junk folder in Hotmail or Outlook.com. If you've ever missed an important email because it landed in junk, here's how to fix it in just a few steps. First, log in to your Outlook account. Go to the Outlook login page, click Sign In, and enter your email and password. If you're already logged in, make sure you're on the Outlook homepage. Now, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the gear icon. That's your settings menu. When the panel opens, scroll down and click on Mail for more detailed options. From here, select Junk Email. This section controls how Outlook filters messages and decides what goes into your junk folder. Inside Junk Email Settings, find the section called Safe Senders and Domains. This is where you can tell Outlook which emails you always want in your inbox. Click Add and type in the email address or domain you trust. For example, newsletter@company.com or company.com. Once added, Outlook will treat these senders as safe. From now on, their emails will go directly to your inbox instead of junk. And that's it. By using the Safe Senders list, you'll make sure important messages don't get lost in the junk folder. Thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more Outlook tips.